那三眼之神，我们从近远。
Sugandhim.
Sugandhim，
Su means good.
而苏呢就是好好，
Gandhim means good fragrance, good smell.
而这个呢就是以味道好的味道。
Here we can say knowledge.
当然，它的意义呢，我们可以理解为叫做智慧。
Sugandhim.
Sugandhim
Pushti.
pushti，
Pushti means strength, nourishing.
而 pushti 我们就是会理解为力量。
Vardhanam.
我了他哈，
Vardhanam.
我了他nam，我了他。
Vardhanam means increase.
而它的意思是在于我们的智慧、力量，让我们增加 increase 增加的意思。
So, O three-eyed God,
我们连接下来的就是神呐，我们的三眼之神，
we worship you.
我们向您崇敬。
You are the giver of good knowledge and strength for all of us.
你会让我们的智慧，你会让我们的力量，对吧？增加。
Next is Urvarukamiva.
下一个就叫乌鲁瓦，乌鲁卡米瓦。
Urvarukam means cucumber.
看吧，
Cucumber. Cucumber.
富而这几个到前面这就是一个食物这个食物给我们一个能量，有供给我们身体的所需能量的一个食物，给我们供给我们生命的一个能量。
Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber we eat. Carrot, onion, garlic, and something like vegetables comes cucumber, green color.
就是一种
It's
食物
just some
的名
fruit.
字，
Some fruit.
一个食物的名字，
水果，
不知道是木瓜还是什么瓜，有可能。
Cucumber.
这是一个蔬菜的名字，待会儿
You
我
have
去
mobile with
找一找就行。
you have mobile with you now?
我去找。反正是一种水果的名字。
See, there is one fruit called as cucumber. If that cucumber becomes ripe, it will automatically get detached from the body of the plant.
这个呢，一种食物，如果说它成熟之后，就自动的去，从藤络上去掉下来。
Just like that fruit, how it will get detached from the plant, let me get detached from the worldly matters.
意思就是说好像我们成熟之后就可以脱离我们五体的保护，可以理解为我们的心生。就是黄瓜、胡瓜、瓜熟蒂落。对。
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it will get detached from the main plant of the body. When it will become ripe, it automatically get detached.
自然的，它成熟之后就会掉落的些花的地方。
Just like that cucumber, let me get detached from the worldly attachments. Two kinds of attachment. Attachments. Anything. Attachment with person, attachment with instrument, attachment with myself, attachment
这
with
个的寓意就是说呢，让我们脱离尘世的喧嚣，脱离我们的烦恼，脱离任何让我们有困扰的那些东西。
or you can say unwanted attachment. Or you can say unwanted attachment. Non-healthy. attachment which is not healthy.
啊，就是说这些你的理解为这种脱落呢，而且是一种解放，而不是说那种就是什么都不顾不管了，而是说我们能够从这些痛苦当中解放出来这种意思。
Next is mrityur means death or disease. Mrityur, next please. Mrityur,
这个我们理解为是叫死亡。
mrityur is a death. Mukshiya, mukshiya means just liberate us or free us from the death.
这个的意思就是让我们脱离死的意思。
Amrita, Mamrita means immortality.
让我们
Immortality or what is
yes,
so nirvana, or you can say nirvana. Immortality.
永生得到永生的意思。
So immortality means we will not live forever, but our soul will get detached from inside,
from the body.
from no, inside attachments of the worldly matters. So mind will get focused more on the God.
Means that we do not means internal.
Yeah, internal.
It's internal.
Yes.
That is not the internal body, but internal mind.
Yes. Mind and God.
不是说身体上的永生，而是说我们的精神能够得到永远的一个存在。
We don't mind because it's a little difficult and little deep, so we have difficulty in translation. Don't mind. It's easy, but now it's easy. Om, O three-eyed God, we salute you. You
神
are,
呐，三眼的神，我们向你致敬。
you are the giver of strength
你给我
and
们智慧，你给我们力量，
nourishment for us. And let me get detached from the worldly
让我们
matters,
脱离尘世的喧嚣烦恼。
just like the cucumber.
就比如黄瓜瓜熟落地那种感觉。
And let me avoid disease and death, early disease and death.
让我们远离疾病，让我们远离死亡。
Isn't it a great prayer? Is it a great prayer?
A great prayer。
It's a very good prayer.
这种感受，这种存在的话，是不是一种非常完美的存在？
Is it not?
对吧？
So I want you to close your eyes and feel the meaning.
好，我们先闭上眼睛去回忆一下这种。
To start the practice,
我
to
们
start the practice, maybe as much as possible I'll continue chanting and I want you to focus on the meaning and your inner energy.
我们注意这种意义在内心，耳朵我们去听老师的这种唱。
Or you can simply hold this
可
mudra,
以这样的一个手印
which will make you feel comfortable sitting. So your back is straight, you're comfortable.
用这个手印的话，我们更能够做得更姿势准确。
Will you be able to focus and sit?
好，我们能够更好的集中注意力。
To focus little more, you can focus on the center of this yantra, Om.
我们如果说 look， 可以看着我们的中心的这个印跟这个差不多的印，可以注视到它，去注意到这个东西，
I want
集
you
中
to
注意力。
look at the center of that particular yantra.
老师唱。好，我们对看着这个音乐，看着老师来去唱，我们想着这个意义，集中注意力的一个方法。
Now I'll make you see, or you can see the yantra Om in your yantra which I have given. Later you can see, or you want to see it now, you can see it. I will show you. You keep holding the mudra.
我们把手印保持住的话，老师看一下，这个中间就有这么一个图案它就代表着我们众神这个
Focus for some time and close your eyes.
注意一会儿，把这个印象放在脑子里面，慢慢就可以
Focus for some time. Close your eyes.
看一会儿这个印象，你就可以闭上眼睛。
Be comfortable.
坐姿要舒服。
Gently close your eyes.
好，闭上眼睛。
I took this much time to make you feel the meaning of this particular Mrityunjaya mantra.
花了一些时间来理解这个宋词。
And now we'll focus on the mantra.
好，现在我们精神就在音声上。
By focusing on the mantra, you can also energize that particular yantra.
我们可以将注意力放在我们面前的这个护身符上，只是一个方式而已，也可以眼睛闭上去想象这个图案就可以了。
Now I'll not give you much work for your mind. It is just a repetition of the sounds.
我们只需要去重复的听这个声音。
You can repeat after me for first time.
我们可以跟着老师唱。
Trayambakam Trayambakam You can say Trayambakam Yajamahe Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urva Rukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiya Mamritat Very good. And try to do one sentence at one time. Just focus your attention.
我们一句一句话的去。好。
Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Trayambakam Yajamahe Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiya Mamritat Now, I'll not give even this strain on your mind. I'll not give you even this chanting strain on your mind.
我们这个吟唱的过程肯定会稍微的有一个适应过程哈。那么跟着这个过程呢，我们把意义也结合进去。
I'll just chant and you follow on the meaning.
我们跟随着这个意义
Close your eyes.
闭上眼睛，
Please bring your focus, attention
注意节奏。
Bit of seriousness for Meili. Bit of seriousness for Meili.
Why?
Okay, get ready.
准备。
Just focus on the sound.
注意声音。
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे 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 सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् Focus on your breathing still.
注意我们的呼吸。
Just keep reminding the beautiful meaning.
持续的回想这美妙的感情，
which you already told.
这些歌词中的意义。
And just focus on the sound and how the sound vibration is causing you a healing.
感受到这音乐带给我们的一种释放。
Focus. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वा